slips away no matter how we blend. You were the best thing in my life. I only hope to make it right. I never thought we'd get to have a second time around. Now that love is on our side again, stay these fears on the way.
You must just be strong.
I'm really confused.
About what? Was it your own fault? You are the one who dumped him before you get all the facts. Now you dump him.
I'm really confused. My results are negative. They're the clean.
You see, you always jump into conclusions. You should have just listened to him before you just dumped him. No, what are you going to do?
No, you're the
now?
one who said so. That's why I dumped him.
No, I didn't say that. You were angry, but you know that it was his fault. He was double crossing.
Right now he was calling about 10 minutes ago. He was calling and I couldn't answer his call.
Why are you ignoring him now?
No, after all, I accused him all the time. So what am I going to do now?
I don't know. I'm really out of ideas. Sucheta say, I mean, you loved this guy, I know, but I didn't support this relationship.
I think I have to talk to him now. I think you understand. I'll tell him that I still do that. And I thought you were HIV positive. And I thought what people were saying was true.
But now you see, maybe he's already given up on you. You were
No, he loves me. We'll try to talk to each other. I know he loves me, so I'll try to talk to him.
Yeah, you have to try. Maybe he's already given up. I don't know, but I know he loves you and you too. Let's just hope it's for the best.
Okay, I'll call him.
Whatever.
Wala Chomi. Hayibo ntoni?
Khayeke Chomi.
Ntoni thetha manje?
Khayeke Chomi.
Wenze ntoni? Bani? Sipho.
Chomi. Ndine-stress Chomi, andisho ndine-stress.
Santoni Chomi?
Tata mandimazi. Nosipho usipho engathi ujona nekurikuri balikurikuri.
Ubone ntoni wena?
Chomi khayeke. Utatam ndifuna umbona mama naye uyanzuzisa ngafuna ubona utatam. Sipho ngakuba ignora leyabo mandithini ke because utatam andimazi nosipho nabo Sipho uyandilahla ngasikandixelele xa ndilahlayo.
Uyini kurikuri lapha nani?
Andilazi lakurikuri ujona nosipho and usipho andifuna ukohlukana nosipho mna. Andifuna ukohlukana nosipho.
But Chomi, he's not worth it nje.
Yeah, I know Chomi, mara ke usipho ndiyamthanda. So how many years njalo nosipho mna? How many years njalo nosipho? Andizokwazi ukohlukana.
Kanti njengohlala nje uyinto yakhe. Ubambise ngaye ngibona uthela kurikuri lakhe.
Andikho sure Chomi kodwa usipho hayi Chomi ndifuna umbuza. Ndirhala umbuza and nosipho sasikayiphi ngale.
Yafana nje uzoxoxa usipho yamazi nawe.
Kodwa khona isibone ndimbuza usipho ukuthi uzoyiphika nje nalento.
Utata kimi.
Tata ngangigqibela ndina 3 weeks Chomi.
Uthini mama yakho yena ngaloo nto?
Mama kanimbuzayo usikanzulisela akafuna undixelele. Uyayibaleka lencoko ndisithetha ngayo. Xa ndibuza mama utata usikandisingcolisa andibuza.
Maybe kaloku tata yakho yiloo ndijila kuloo ndawo ungayaziyo.
Chomi noba kunabantu lake ndifuna umazi okotata Chomi andifuna ude ndifowunele okhumbule ekhaya boba thina abantu xa ndivela eTV bendikufowunele okhumbule ekhaya ndifuna ukwazi okotata Chomi ndifuna ukwazi okotata
But uba kwayena inje kafayo kanye
noba inje yafayo ndifuna ukwazi uba ithuna lakhe liyiphike khe sizokwazi ukuya kulo
mhlawumbi mama yakho uyakuprotecta Chomi.
Umprotect into nini? Umprotect away from tata Chomi.
Bo, maybe that's good for you.
Ayikho good for me kaloku sana Chomi because ndifuna ukwazi utata xa ndinokwazi okotata Chomi nosipho ngaba ndistress andihamba ndithini ngosipho because usipho Chomi ndiyamthanda usipho and babe ngekudala
Ungayambuza nje hayi nazo wandidika ngalo sipho wakho mbini nobambi.
Chomi ndimthanda ngokuyambisa Chomi.
Ulandela
Uyichomi ubuhle bendoda Chomi zinkomo kaloku Chomi yazi uba ndiyamthanda usipho.
akho kulobola kanje.
Akho nibanjani nobole khona sizandaba Chomi uzama uthini Chomi?
Hayi so ayihloli nitshiyela nto leyo.
Andinokwazi Chomi.
Sometimes you do that each and every day. You from 10 rand, 3 rand, yeah.
Ndafonela kaSipho ukuthi awuye la. Ndafonela kaSipho kuthiwa.
Auntie.
Ngathi akuye.
Is
Ambuthola naye kanye.
Saka ngandele lusiwe ukuthi nje
Uzothi yethola nje.
Saka ngandele kusije into nje. Nakusebenza nje balapha idami.
Come over, please. Okay, like almost I'm trying to
I don't want to be a part of it.
Okay. Posso trocar para nem morrer abaixo.
Lapho sekundingadlali game kodwa likhona jo.
Sindoni manje yakho mina. Ngiqale boye kunibaba bamba mina.
Fundile cause busapha kumosi ngokundithini mina.
Manje zemntana wamanza ngakuwe.
Akekho nje umntana.
Ufuna umbona umntana mqhayi lona engifunayo.
Akekho umakhulu wakhe kaloku. Lapho sifika kudlala game khona.
Andiyeke manje usindiso manje. Ngoba ngixele isejo ayikho esidibanisayo. Ngizothandana nabantu abafana isijongo manje like prostitute nje andikwazi manje.
Because you are dating it kweli.
Elikweri uthetha ngani nothando tani wena?
Dani mina. Sure. Ucacile Sipho ngithandi mos.
Uthethini wena ngithanda?
Iyafana ngithandi mos ubhizi kweli lakho wena.
Don't khole kwiri man mfoni ngiliqaphukela lo gama unangiphambanisa.
Simbize abantu cause alazi igama lakhe.
Mfoni yazi ngilithanda igama kwiri lo mntana lona kanjani.
Simbize abantu igama cause alazi igama lakhe mos.
Because lifuna ndibona igama lakhe amxela athi ndize kumntana wami noLsindiso.
Ndiqaba kekho mos ndithini ke mina ngithini ndive xa phansi nawuzophuma.
noLsindiso ngikhathele man uyazi into nje. You know what? It's over noLsindiso.
Hayibo Sipho.
It's over man.
Jani kanjalo Sipho? Cause yaba ndiyakuthanda jo.
Dikiwe nguwe okay?
Fundoni? Cause yaba jo ndiyakuthanda mos.
So bamba ngubaba manje sakhe simdayisa bamba onke lamadoda akuzobamba mina. Yeah.
Sipho yazi manje ndiyakuthanda.
Ungithanda?
Ndiyakuthanda Sipho and I will never stop loving you Joe.
Awuna choice in this time. Iphelile isidivisa.
Fundoni Sipho.
Futhi namhla Joe.
Ndiyakuthanda nje nawe.
Ngicela ungaphinde unifonele. Please.
Ndiyacela Sipho ngicela ungayenzi lento.
Ngifuna nami siphinde sibone Joe isithando sami ndihamba nawe. Jojo ndifumene umuntu omtsha. Ngifuna. Hey. Stop calling kwiri man.
Ndiyacela ngicela ungandishiyi.
Jonga man. Uyifoni. Imali ungikhangele. Ngifuna ubone ingqondo ngisevana.
Kodwa Sipho ungayenzi.
No. Anamhla noLsindiso dikiwe nguwe man. It's over. Cha lizochika apha.
Sipho ndiyacela torho ngicela ungayenzi. Sipho ndiyacela torho ndiyacela Sipho.
Ngeke man.
Ndiyacela Sipho.
Andithandi noLsindiso. Iphelile. Sidibanisayo.
If you dare walk out that door, I swear to God I'll kill you.
Why noLsindiso?
If you Sipho ndiyakuthanda jo nawe yazi loo nto.
Sobuleke phansi noLsindiso.
I won't. Sipho, I will kill you.
Why noLsindiso?
Sipho, how can you leave me like this?
Befana ndithini xa kunje mna?
Ndinjani Sipho ndinjani?
Uchintshile noLsindiso ufana siqaleni.
I swear to God if you walk out that door, I'll kill you.
Beka lento phansi
I
noLsindiso.
won't.
Uzoyenza lento ufuna uyenza.
I will.
Buhlungu ngandithandi.
Benutana Sipho, how could you betray me like this? Or I'll kill myself.
noLsindiso please.
You better shoes. Sipho, yeah, but next time. How could you do this to me?
Bekuthanda nami noLsindiso.
Oh, Tanda. That's a past tense, Joe.
I'm sorry Joe. Andikwazi thandana na.
Fundoni.
Ndiyaxolisa. Kodwa ubufuna ungihlaba ungangihlaba. I'm sorry noLsindiso. missing you. Yeah.
Okay. I wanted to say I'm sorry for what happened.
Yeah, man. I don't have a problem because I love you. Also.
I'm really, really sorry. I don't know what came over me. Went to the clinic and the HIV results were negative. I was negative.
I said to you last time that I'm not HIV, but you accused me and forced me and fired me at your house. I don't know why. Maybe you stopped loving me.
No. Everyone came to my house telling me to stop loving you because.
But I tried to explain to you, but you didn't want to listen.
So why were people saying you're HIV and your wife is HIV and
Let's
the child
just change
also?
the subject with that. Where's your wife?
Yes, went there to the shops. She's gone to the shops there.
Yeah, sweetheart.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, just come close to me.
Can come there. I can come there.
Okay, no problem. Like, you know that I love you. And I won't stop loving you.
Yeah, I know.
No matter what happens. Yeah? Why are you so shy today?
Okay.
Just give me my lips.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh man, we always say tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow.
Yeah, this time I promise.
There's no appointment for kiss.
No, we just did
Not
tomorrow.
a big deal, sis.
No, we just did.
Hello, Tommy. Hello. Now, oops. Ndoni. Ndoni.
Chomi siphulahlile.
Lahlile wena. What happened?
Chomi uzongixelela apho uba it's over. And ngeke mna ke ndastata apho freak out Chomi. Cause yazi nabantu ndiyamthanda uSipho.
Ngiyangibona wathini? Ngivumele ngimahambe.
I almost killed him Chomi.
What? What did you do? Zinoni?
I almost stabbed him.
What?
Chomi, I couldn't control it because ndiyamthanda.
Ndoni.
Sure Chomi, never mind that.
I don't want to say I told you. Bana qalene.
Chomi, don't judge me.
You know that I love you. So what?
Chomi, I don't want to lose Sipho. I can lose everything. I won't just sit there. I won't just sit there and do nothing. Chomi tasekho bandithembisile babazoya phaya and now kunomasendleni yayo.
So you rather stay in a meaningless relationship than uphile a normal life like a
Chomi, you can call uSipho. Nabanga wabo magama but Chomi
ulahlile.
I would rather lose than love Chomi because yaba ndiyamthanda uSipho.
You a loser, like a loser now. Yeah,
Ndithanda ukuyiluza Chomi because tasekho nawo bandithembisile nje basi
uyathini izomlwela ke uyathanda kukhulu like uyathanda wathi uyenza
right ke Chomi namaseve qaba bamkile ha
yafana nje azofundisa bakuthandi babekuthanda ingakulahlanga
noma ngathanda usile bangamkela kuri uSipho ngaphinda bengowami.
yadlala lolo
Let's prove the point of Chomi.
yadlala
Ufuna prove the point of Chomi but
uzomenza nini kakhulu
never mind Chomi.
ayucela ba I'm really in love with you. Nayathanda intsaliso move on. Move on. Umntana kuyakudinga. Uzowenza ngelo njani emnyaneni xa uzowami
Mamela, just put on your seatbelts and just chill because the war is about to begin Chomi.
umntana uzothini nje umntana ngathi ngaphi for ba abone into
Chomi
senzayo
nawe ngathi ndiza phela engqondweni Chomi.
azoqala wenza lento
Chomi, remember the day your father got fired?
yeah
Because of Makurikuri. Kuba bebefuna uhireishela Kurikuri.
but nathanda sayixoxa nandibala kudala loo nto
Chomi,
let's leave the past behind
Chomi, you may forgive but you never forget.
but manje I forget
But Chomi, not this one. Chomi, let's do something please man.
what
Masambe, what that's
I was never split blood man
Choma sabe da sio kwa wata sai kuna masala fikile pale.
I really have
This has got to be the saddest day of my life.
Don't disappoint me again, please.
I called you here today.
I don't know what to say.
Let's go to the market. I'll buy you some clothes and you have a new look.
You
I
don't
won't
like
be
my
able
look?
to see you
I
anymore.
like it, but I wanna have a new look. You have to have a new look.
You don't have to spend for me, sweetheart.
In the time.
No,
I don't love you,
just-
man. I just love you.
No, just a
You've been
new
meeting
look
here.
only for tomorrow.
Every day.
Tomorrow,
Yeah,
you'll take me out.
yeah,
Since this is our last day together,
That's why I
I
love
want
you.
to hold you.
yeah. Let's go to the market.
When you turn and walk away, don't look back.
Mfuna befika amakurikuri namabona bangafa bonke chuma.
Masiyambala chuma kodwa I remember I'm only doing this for you, know that I want to do it.
Chuma sabe. Chino tasekho sabafuna sana.
They want to give you some shot.
Like what?
You know, I want us to make it here. I
Then,
said I don't want to use the bed today.
then
Yeah.
it's okay.
It's okay? Just take a seat, relax. Yeah. You really love me, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Dinekuda mdiwa a lot.
I love you too.
You know I'm catching your language now,
Yeah.
but you don't want to learn my language. I don't like that.
I'm learning your language.
But the next 3 years I want you to be my wife.
3?
Oh, okay, 3 months.
Okay.
3 weeks, 3 days.
3 hours.
3 hours. The bathroom.
Yeah.
You want to strip me?
Yes, show me. I'm so disappointed in you. Yes.
Show me, like, I love it when you're doing show me. Tell me,
How can you call me? I want everything is just for you.
show me. Yeah,
How can you call me?
oh, show me what I'm calling it because you're not trying to go from Susan Gomez or Arco.
Since I don't know, I was bad on and fun now.
Okay, get show me some.
But today I don't have a problem with you because of it. Oh, sweetheart, it was so nice.
Just so nice.
You like last time.
You're so
I told you. You mean I'm so good?
yeah.
Oh, That's why I don't want to lose you.
Yeah.
Please don't cheat on me.
I won't.
I don't want anyone to touch me. Shit. See. How can I change her mind?
Question 5 lebih sayang ban. Ya ban. See where?
But the problem is I don't have money.
Don't give money. I just come to your house. I just come there. Yeah.
Umnandi ushiya John.
Khawumbuza eyakhulukile dena I was there was the John Sipho na I'm not in love with Sipho.
Hayi suka thini uzothi bezothini ke yabo zomqhekeza manje.
Shomalaza mqheke.
Ayephi
Mawa mazona bazothi South Africa.
Ayibabo uyabazi sendini mazona.
I don't give a damn shit. I don't even want to know. Baba ngaphi South Africa?
Basika Sipho, nyaka Sipho.
Ngaka Sipho sho.
Sipho qhawe bani.
uSipho nobaba ngaphi sho ngiyamfuna uSipho nje.
Hayi suka uthaya ukhelendula ngapha yakude.
Bantwana ngisaze banthana njengoSipho, naso bathana njengoSipho.
Baba uthanda uSipho ngiyangayangwela kukhulu.
Akayangona kukhulu sho.
Hayi manje ufuna ubhala mina. Ngiyobhala umxaya stories zakho.
Chomi we better do something Chomi.
Noni nje azindika ube ngikokosana nawe ke ngiyacanga mdaba mlahla uSipho. Hayi ngidikile.
Chomi I don't want to lose uSipho Chomi. I'd rather lose anything but not uSipho.
Ngiyashika ngidikile kunalo Sipho wakho.
Chomi ngiyacela ukuthi make senze into Chomi.
Noni mina oyami uSipho.
Basibize basicela abantu bamakhurikhulu bahambe senze into. Ayimazona abo Chomi.
Anu hayi ikhona ukuthi mandenze. Ngithini ke mina ke phela ngibizi ngami because speak.
Bo Chomi. Sithi wakho ngami. Ayimazona awo.
Hayi mana. Ngaka Sipho. Hayi mana. Sikhulumeni ukuthi question 5.
Question 5 Chomi.
Okay, shamba sozama sengapha kwa committee lapho. Cha kuzayikho nyanga zona.
Umasiye Chomi, masiye nini? Ngoku. Noma singaya ngoku Chomi.
Siqala ngathi kwaLiyanda.
Ewe siqala cabanga ngabo kaloku abantu abanomfutho babengi.
But na kasiya njengoni.
What do you mean uchumba yini? Chomi kafika leo tukusiambe. Kaza fa hapa. Grandma kule branco. After 6. Kwamba waterus.
But you must learn closer so that my parents easy to talk with you.
Yeah.
Because of now so one flash on my clothes. You see?
Yeah. You two must learn Shona so that you can speak to my parents.
Yeah.
We left everything in the kitchen. Now I will go just like this. And maybe your sister Susan is on that side. And I'm afraid to meet her.
Let me go and talk to you first.
Go to fetch my clothes first.
Okay.
Okay, just be fast.
bachata fela cela singahlekela abantu baphela ngokuphela xa ndirhyma cela uconcentrate after ndiqibile mfana usucelebrate ungatyhafi usunyamezele ubomi bunzima mfana usubambelele noba bangathini usungabanaki sebekuhlasela ntwana usungabesabi umama notata babengaphangeli kwakunzima ekhaya impilo inganyamezeleki kwakunzima bakungalaleki namathumba eswini entshilo zenganqandeki everyday ndiguqa ngamadolo but still ulutsha liboniswa ngenombolo ndandingayazi lalivele litshone emini now ndiyayazi kubuhlungu ebomini
bangaqala from scratch I won't finish ithi nhlephule kancane I see dead people in my dreams I'm having bad nightmares I see things I do things I face things that are hard to understand my mom is in a brown coffin I'm in a silver tin bangishisile sleeping next to my mom kunzima nokuthi singene esigodini kugcwele abantu baphethe ibani ugogoza lathini usaphila ngolusearch nomagesh baphethe ichop bambethe ibhedi icherry amimbathisa ingubo emhlophe mambuza ugoguthi thula mabodo konke kuzolunga madosambekile ugabula indoda emadodeni uthixo semazulwini angithi khala mandengwane khala mandengwane angithi khala mandengwane
ngizamile maringawa kodwa ngizixelele ukuba ngeke ngincame kuba usombawu ukhona mangibona indlela engisokola ngayo ngivele ngizive ingade ngingedwa mara ukukhala akusizi batshela
People.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, baba. Can I play? And then yes, I can't just make it up.
Nawe nje uyipati yabo nje nolusindiswa.
Mamela, mina sifuna ubuza into ezininzi. Siyamsentela sizothetha. Let's go. Mamela, sukhamazela yonke into onzoyilungisa. Izinto sesezandleni
zami. Kodwa ngithembi yonke lento.
Uyabona ukuthi awuthembi. Buya nona bicousin yakho. Ngicela uhlale phansi.
Ndiyayazi lo nto.
Hlala phansi. Lento sizayilungisa.
Njani?
Into endifuna kuwe ini.
uNolusindiswa uzoyiwina lento. Bonke abantu bakholelwa kuye.
Uyabona bakuNolusindiswa uyiwina lento. ndim i-leader yale nto. Sekuqhubeka yonke nje le nto ndim i-leader yayo. Themba mna ndizokwenza wena uba ngomso ithi iqala bungekho nobakho apha.
Kodwa sayikho uzoyenza njani le nto Rhotman?
Uyabona into enzima endizoyenza ngayo iklini indlela endizokwenza ngayo. Kufuneke qha nawe unenzele into eyi-one. Laa nto besike sathetha ngayo ube kanti uyilungisile.
Yona ukuyilungisa oku ndiyilungisile le nto kodwa nawe andikuthebi mhlawumbi ufuna ukwenza ibhizinesi nam kodwa yona ikhona ihafu yalaa nto besithethe ngayo uyakusuke enye after umsebenzi uyifumane yonke.
Ndithanda into ezinjalo. Mamela noba ubunazo nayifuna uba owamsebenzi uclean and then ayikho into eyiphazamisayo eyam indlela.
Kodwa yonke le nto iphelela ukuthi sobabili
kunjalo njengoba besentshilo akekho nothi ayiphazamisa yam indlela.
I hope izosebenza le nto because ungandifuni unosindisa awena futhi. Umntanam kuyo yonke le nto yenzekayo.
Umntanam uzoba sezandleni zakho. Zonke into zoba sezandleni zakho. Ndithe suwara ndiphethwe ndim. Qha into ngoyenza ngokuqina.
Ndiyabulela Tasekho. Ndiyabulela. I hope unolusindisa uzomenze abe nethemba lokuba wena ukwicala lakhe.
Yabona wena into zoyenza shiyeka apha uzolungisa zonke izinto. Beka into yam nayo ilungile.
That's our deal brother.
Indlu yam ke le akho nomnye umuntu onawungena apha.
Okay.
Into zam sozibambe ezandleni.
Njengoba besifumele
indaba ezimnandi ezo.
Tasekusho uba kukho umuntu obonileyo.
Kufuneka baba nam umntwana and then wenze sure uba wena awuphinde ubonakale apha uyahamba. Nazi nempahla zakhe. Uzumtshintshe umntana.
Ndiyabulela Tasekho.
Nami ndiyabulela.
Oluniboleka noma ijezi nje apha kufane nje ukuya endlini anokwazi. Okay, Tasekho, ndiyabulela.
Sharp.
stress mntana utata nomama komncinci bazokuthanda nolusindise bengekho right wena uhlale naye ngoku xolo ngayo yonke into endikwenzayo baby. Can't wait. Yeah. Okay.
Him